escape from Chorgum prison is impossible. One way in, one way out. 1,000 guards and one prisoner.
Except that prisoner is...
Fly back there and tell them the real Dragon Warrior is coming home. Where's the Dragon Warrior?
How do you know you're not looking at her?
You think I'm a fool?
Oh?
So that is his name. Poe. So where is this Poe? Did I scare him off? Who denied me my destiny? Finally, a worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary.